In this video, we are going to take a full tour of the TeenBookCloud website. So we start by typing www.teenbookcloud.com into the search bar. If you have a TeenBookCloud account, you can log in at the very top of the website. First, input your account username here, then your password, and click Login. Now that we're logged in, let's find a book. A great way to do this is with the search menu, which you can navigate to using this blue search button in the top right-hand corner of the site. Let's start by searching by title. So say I'm interested in Paradise Lost by John Milton. I'll start typing the title, and it's come up already. We can click the name of the book, click Go, and we're brought to the book's landing page just like that. We can also search by author name. So maybe I'm in the mood for Shakespeare. And here he is. I can click his name, press Go, and here are titles by that author. Tumble time is based on how long you'd like the reading experience to be. Just select a time option from the drop-down menu, click Go, and you will be shown results for the titles on the site that fall within that approximate time frame. You can specify which format you're in the mood for, such as middle school fiction, enhanced ebooks, videos, and more. You can search the collection based on the Lexile and Accelerated Reader systems. These are both based on reading level, and the higher the number, the higher the reading level. Additionally, you can search by keyword. So say I'm interested in books that include confidence as a theme. I'll find and click the word confidence in the drop-down menu, click Go, and I am brought to all the titles on the site that include this theme. Another great way to find a title is with the index function. So from anywhere on the site, in the dark blue bar at the top of the page, you can press Index. And here are all the titles on the site in alphabetical order. You can either scroll all the way down to your book or press the first letter of the title. Let's find the classic novel Dracula. I'll press D, and then I'll scan for my book in its letter section. And here it is. Let's go ahead and click on the title. Now that we've navigated to our book, let's learn how to read it. On the left-hand side, we can click Read Online, and this will open the book player in another window. You can turn the page with the green arrow buttons and the arrow keys on your keyboard, and you can jump between chapters using the Chapter menu drop-down. For our enhanced ebooks, there is also a blue play button in the bottom left-hand corner that initiates narration audio. Press it again to pause the narration. Other titles on the site are in our read-along format. To activate read-along, press the play button. The book can be navigated with the pause and play button and the page arrows. The full screen button makes the book fill the screen. The volume can be adjusted with the sound button, and the narration speed can be toggled here. Auto mode means the pages turn automatically when the page's narration ends, and manual mode means the page will only turn when the reader actively navigates forward. There are also advanced options here, such as changing the font size. Check out our video on the read-along format for a more detailed guide. Most of the titles on TeenBookCloud also have quizzes. So on the left-hand side of a title's landing page, you can click Take Quiz, then the title, and start answering the questions. Another way to navigate the site is with the colorful buttons up top here. The YA/Teen, Middle School Fiction, Nonfiction, and AP English/Classics buttons will show you all the titles on our site that correspond to those respective genres. The Enhanced eBooks button will show you books in the enhanced ebook format we explored earlier. Next is the Graphic Novels button. Select one, press Read Online, and scroll all the way down until the end of the chapter. Once we finish this chapter, we can navigate to the next one with the arrow on top of the page. The Videos button takes you to our selection of educational nature videos. All you need to do is click the one you're interested in, press Play Video, and enjoy. Finally, there is the Audiobooks button. Click the title you want, then click Listen Online. You can initiate the audiobook with the play button and pause it with the same button. Navigate to different points in the chapter by clicking on the progress bar, and jump to the next or previous chapters with those buttons. To make note of titles you've enjoyed or would like to check out later, you can add them to your favorites. So on the left-hand side of any title's landing page, you'll see the Add to Favorites button. You can click that, and then click My Favorites up here in the dark blue bar, and you'll see that the title has now been added to your favorites. Another feature is Common Core, which is a standard system used in some American schools. Clicking on a Common Core standard takes you to the titles in our collection, whose supplementary materials correspond to that standard. A final feature for librarians and educators is Admin, which can be found at the bottom of the site. Click the word Admin in the dark blue bar on the bottom of the page. Here you can see how many book views there have been on your account. You can organize this by month and year. There are also marketing materials. At the top, you will see your auto login URL. If you distribute this link to your readers, all they need to do is click it, and they will be automatically logged into your TeenBookCloud account, without them needing to enter in a password. Below this are the parent letters. These are letters that explain TeenBookCloud. They can be downloaded and then emailed out, or printed and sent home with your readers. Below that, there are banners, buttons, and icons, which can be used to make image links that you can distribute digitally. And finally, there is My Collection, which tells you how many titles your account has access to. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of the TeenBookCloud website. We invite you to check out our other videos for a more in-depth look at the different functions found on the site. Happy tumbling!